Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpe, ban subscribe ya ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jela.
U Dr. David V. Lingdo, u khun shinrang baritam jong kakong Belbina Mary Lingdo, bat uba ti maulong na umran diary ri boy district, ulayo pdiang ya kekerdan PhD na ke International Institute of Church Management, Chennai, India. Ulayo ya kani kekerdan, lingba ke thesis ka bekerteng ke biblical leadership through the life of Nehemiah, a comparison with modern Christian leaders. Hakaba ulapin syong nongrim, ya kejing hikai kejing yalam na kejing im u Nehemiah, ban pinyanu jor bat kejing yalam Kristan hagajuk minta. Haka pulia puthi, ulapin deb MA bat PhD, ha political science na BT University, bat MA ha sociology na Parul University Gujarat. Ulayo ru ya ka honorary doctorate na International Human Rights Protection Commission na mar kejing no shinyang haki kampat ba. Ulapin kriya kum UIAS aspirant Hadrishti Institute of IAS nadu arajar khatkhandai hadu arajar alpulai but ulapuli an Delhi Law University. Minta udai founder but director Jongka Christian Bible College ubatrei hakajing hikai theology but kajing.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for I thank the Lord for giving me this opportunity. It is an honor to be here and to come and receive the degree. So I am from Meghalaya, from Shillong, and you heard the Meghalaya is one of the wettest places in the whole world. And I thank you so much to express my deep, sincere appreciation to Uma ma'am. She's the one who encouraged me to study and to complete this degree. So I have completed my doctorate in political science from Manipur, and also I have done different honorary degree from the World Human Rights Protection Commission. And I stand here not because of me, because of her, Uma ma'am, because I have supposed to give up this complete of this PhD in biblical studies, but ma'am used to push me and said you better to complete it, and she's the one who pushed me the day till date. And thank you, Dr. Principal Kumar for being with us and help us, and especially he approved me my synopsis and also the thesis that I wrote about the life of Nehemiah and the modern Christianity leadership. So I thank you so much for helping me, and thank you for brothers and sisters who being here. May the Lord bless you and all the things you do for the glory of God. Thank you so much.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.